Hi, I'm John. I'm Service Manager with eZee Bike USA. All your eZee bikes come essentially fully assembled. All you'll have to do is put the pedals on. When your bike arrives in a box exactly like this, there's two ways to get your bike out of the box. You can take a razor knife and simply cut the nylon straps, lift the lid, and pull your bike out from the top. Or, if you don't want to save your box, you can take a razor knife and slice down either side of the end of the box and simply roll your eZee bike out. After removing your eZee bike from the box, just simply set it up on the center kickstand. You'll need three tools to do the job: a medium crescent wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a 4-5-6 millimeter Allen wrench. First things first, we're going to install the pedals. There's a left and right pedal on the bicycle. You'll want to put a light oil on the threads of the pedals. Start with your right pedal on the drive side of the bicycle. Take your crescent wrench and you'll thread the pedal clockwise. You can just thread it with your hands, or your fingers rather, and then finish with your crescent wrench like so. You want to make sure these pedals are very tight, so put a little muscle into it. So after the right hand pedal's on, grab your left hand pedal, your crescent wrench. This is a tricky part. The left hand pedal on a bicycle is reverse threaded. In other words, you go counterclockwise as opposed to a standard thread. Once you get that finger tight in there, once again take your crescent wrench, put some muscle onto it, and your pedals are installed. I like to work on the bike from front to back. The next procedure will be to straighten your handlebar. You'll take a 6 millimeter and go into the handlebar stem, rotate that 90 degrees. I like to just eye it up right now until I get everything set up. At this point, you'll want to take your 4 millimeter and raise your handlebar to a proper position. Once again, you'll want to just eye it up. Don't tighten any of these bolts too tight. Everything evenly. Just like so. You'll need to take your Phillips screwdriver and rotate your switch box fuel gauge to the proper position. Do not over tighten this Phillips screw. Warning, do not over tighten. Nice and snug. I like to check my battery that's already installed in your eZee bike. Here's your power switch and your throttle. To test the battery, I simply rock the bike back on its rear wheel, raising the front wheel off the ground, turn my switch on. As you can see, the bike works. Now I'm ready to continue. I simply have to turn this brake lever on the left side to match the angle with the one on the right side. All right. Then, last but not least, is your tire pressure. It's clearly marked on the sidewall of your eZee bike. In this case, it's 70 pounds, which is fairly standard. Make sure your tire pressure is topped up at all times. Turn on your bike, and you're ready to ride. When your battery indicator light goes into the red, that means your battery needs to be recharged. There's two ways you can do this. You can leave your battery in the bicycle, take your charger, plug it in, and turn it on. You'll see two lights, a red and an amber. The amber will turn to green after your battery is fully charged, approximately 5 hours. Another way you can charge your battery is by removing it. You'll lift the seat with the hinge seat post, turn the key to the open position, remove your battery, and simply plug it in. Just as before. This can be done in your office or in your home. The amber will turn to green after your battery is fully charged.